Yo, what's up, you guys? You know what I'm saying? It's me, Michael Grant TV, and I'm back for a new reaction video. This is the big game, bro. Lakers, Timberwolves playing game. I watched like the first 2 quarters of the game. The Lakers were losing. The Lakers look like how they've been looking like for the past couple games, playing like down. Like, bro, I don't know what's the energy. Dennis Schroeder got injured. Like, I don't know, bro. D'Angelo Russell couldn't do nothing. Carl-Anthony Towns was going crazy. Let's just get into it, bro. Bro, oh, the Lakers, please. I just want to get back to the playoffs. I want Memphis. I want Memphis. Let's go, man. Oh my God, Lakers.
This team to be big, and you were alluding to it, Reggie Davis.
Hey,
has got to be the man.
Come on, Lakers. AD. There we go. Good shot, boy.
Done a terrific job, a fabulous job.
Oh, man.
Now, this is a Laker team that started.
Oh, slow-mo.
Carl
Anderson. Okay. Oh, my gosh.
Got his miss.
Carl-Anthony Towns has got whatever he wants for those, like, I watched like 2.5 quarters, bro. Big boys, come on. D'Lo. LeBron! Come on, man. Bro, I need LeBron back to the playoffs, bro. I need that. Run that. Oh, yeah. Ooh, AD.
Switching on the floor. LeBron is out.
Hey!
Ball handling duties from D'Lo and LeBron.
Oh, yeah. Bro, our defense, we got locked in defensively. Like, oh my God, look what they're doing, bro. Come on, Lakers. Mike Conley, bro.
Important players tonight, including 2 of their best defenders. Towns with Davis defending. Here is
Bro, AD, stop being a bitch. Oh, Rui, there you go. Jeez. Oh. LeBron. Shooter. Oh!
And Edwards and Hachimura at the other end. That was put in by
Yo!
games with an knee injury. James charging down that baseline.
And one. Bro, that was a crazy block by Ant.
Aggressively takes it out.
I didn't see that. I didn't see that block.
Go to NBA.com or visit the NBA app.
LeBron, pull up. There you go. Come on, Bronny. Oh my gosh, come on. Oh yeah, Reeves. Come on, Reeves. Come on. And one. Oh yeah, come on, let's go. Reeves, let's go.
And he averaged 25 and 13. Davis was huge, and they need his aggression here.
Mike Conley, bro, he is tough off the dribble, bro. I ain't gonna lie. Oh, good D. Oh, come on.
Saved by Towns, cross-court, Conley, 3.
Like, can life just go good, bro? Please, Lakers. LeBron, give me one. Come on. How many teams does he have to carry? Come on, Lakers. Come on. I like the energy. Oh. LeBron.
So we can get out in transition.
Oh, give me that. Blocked by James. Come on. Oh, yeah. What a foul.
Carl Anthony Towns.
Look at all the cutting and the moving here by Minnesota.
So beautiful. Alexander takes it inside. Alexander Walker.
Nikhil from the Pelicans? And the Jazz? Oh, Dennis?
Look how small Minnesota is.
He's back in the game? Bro, I thought he was done. He got like a twist ankle. Oh, good pass. Let's go. Come on, Lakers. Energy. Oh, yeah, LeBron. Oh, dime. Come on, man. Let's go. Oh, yeah, I like it, Lakers. Let's go, Lakers. Oh, Dennis. Oh my gosh. LeBron. Let's go. Yo. Bro, we got the energy. 4th quarter. Come on. Winning time. Oh, my gosh. Lakers. I'm just... Oh, 80 and 1. Oh my gosh! Oh my God! Yes! Oh, Reeves. 80. Cook him! Cook him! Cook him! Come on, Lakers!
try to peel off the defense in the corner.
Oh! Ah!
Threads the pass inside.
Oh, he didn't take the shot, Anderson. But he will.
We're gonna lose. We're gonna freaking lose. We're gonna. Oh my God!
Edwards a fade.
Come on. Oh,
To the fire. Prince will drive the collision.
good D.
Violation.
Good defense, man. Get that. Come on, man.
Here on the side of Anthony Davis on that block shot.
Good defense.
Shows a wild pass.
Dennis, come on.
He defends.
Oh.
Inside the shooter.
Yes, 80. This is what you need to be. Stop playing like a bitch.
Hachimura.
Come on, man. LeBron.
Picking free. He'll try to tie.
Let's go! Let's go! Let's go, Lakers! Oh my gosh! Let's go! Game over! Get these bums off the court, man! Lakers in 5! See y'all in Memphis, man! Come on, man! Wait! Yeah!
And it's a foul on Anthony Davis. What? Oh man, that's pressure.
Those are big free throws.
Absolute.
That is pressure! Pressure! 80, what are you doing fouling? Ruby! Let's go!
Shoulder is sore when he took that.
Dennis!
steal over
Oh my
Lee.
gosh! Give and go! Let's go! LeBron!
It's tipped by Davis. It's retrieving the play by Edwards. Here he goes.
Oh. 80. Ah! Come on, 80! Oh.
Floating in against the two. Quickly the
Dennis.
Schroeder.
Oh yeah. Ooh, bro, this game is crazy up and down. Let's go, Lakers! Let's go, Lakers!
Memphis Grizzlies.
Let's go!
Series starting.
Oh my gosh, bro. Bro, just like the last play-in tournament, bro. Just like the last play-in tournament, bro. We won, man. Check the stats real quick, man. Bro, my heart. Bro, I don't even know how to spell right now, bro. What am I spelling? What am I spelling? Oh my goodness gracious. I love the Lord and the Lord loves me. Kyle Anderson with 12, 13, and 5, bro. They was hooping today, bro. Prince 14. Cat 24, 5, and 11. That means we locked his ass up. We locked him up the second half. Yeah, you're a bum. You're a bum. You feel what I'm saying? I lost my voice. I can't even talk, bro. 23 from Mike Conley. Damn, Mike Conley was blinking at. Whew. LeBron with 30 and 10 and 6. Let's go, Lakers. Anthony Davis was 24, 4 and 15. MCD outplayed Cat. Yeah, he outplayed Cat. In second half though, like that first half, bro. Oh my gosh, you were getting destroyed. Austin was at 12, 3 and 6. D'Angelo Russell was terrible in this game. I'm not gonna lie, bro. You were terrible. You were not effective. You know, they were kind of locking you up. You feel what I'm saying? Schroeder, oh my gosh, Dennis Schroeder, bro. I thought he was injured. He came back in a game, gave us 21, 2, and 4, bro. That shot, bro. And if 80 didn't mess up, that would have been a game winner. Hachimura had 12, man. That block on that 80 had, and we're, I don't even know how to speak, bro. Listen, man. Memphis Grizzlies, Cherry Grizzlies. I won for Frisbee. Lakers in 5.